First year chemistry. This topic is a octet rule. This topic octet rule. The definition of octet rule: 8 electrons are present in 8 electrons are present in valency orbital. Valency orbital. It is a stable configuration. It is a stable configuration is called octet rule. 8 electrons are present in valency orbitals or valency subshells. It is a stable configuration. Is a octet rule. Octet rule. 8 electrons are present in valency orbitals. It is a stable configuration. This is a octet rule. Or another definition: 8 electrons presenting surrounding central atom or surrounding nucleus. This is a nucleus. Nucleus in surrounding 8 electrons are present is a octet rule. 8 electrons are present in nucleus or surrounding atom. It is a stable configuration. It is a stable configuration. This is a octet rule. It is first proposed by Louis Cousel-Lewis. This is a octet rule. Very important topic this structure. Okay na? 8 electrons are present in valency orbitals or valency subshell. It is a stable configuration. Octet rule. It obeys octet rule. 8 electrons are present in surrounding atom or central atom. It obeys to octet rule. Next one, covalent bond. What is the definition of covalent bond? Covalent bond is a one type of chemical bond. Covalent bond is a one type of chemical bond. One type of chemical bond. The covalent bond is forming of sharing of 2 electrons in between the 2 atoms. 2 atoms. The covalent bonding is sharing of 2 electrons in between the 2 atoms. The bond forming is a covalent bond. One bond formation, how many electrons is possible? 2 electrons. 2 electrons is formed. This is a one atom. This is a another atom. This atom is used to 1 electron. This atom is used to 1 electron. Totally, this 2 electron formation of 1 bond. 2 electron in formation of 1 bond. This bond is a covalent bond. Covalent bond. Covalent bond is a one type of a chemical bond. The covalent bond formed in between the 2 atoms. 2 atoms sharing of each one atom, each one electron, it donates to forming of 1 bond. It is a covalent bond. It is a covalent bond. The definition of covalent bond and the definition of octet rule. Once again listen me. 8 electrons are present in valency orbital. It obeys to stable configuration. It is a octet rule. Or 8 electrons are present in surrounding central atom. It is a stable configuration. It obeys to octet rule. And the next one, chemical bonding. Covalent bond. Covalent bond is a one type of chemical bond. The covalent bond is formed in between the 2 atoms sharing of each one electron donates and forming of 1 bond. In between the 2 atoms, it is a covalent bond. Next one, Lewis structures. Lewis structures. First of all, example 1. Example 1. For first one example is a H2. First one example is a H2. This is a hydrogen. This is a hydrogen. How many hydrogen presents in H2? 2 hydrogen. First one hydrogen. This is a second one hydrogen. In generally, hydrogen atomic number 1. Electronic configuration 1. In this, how many electrons present? 1 electron. This is a 1 electron. Due to sharing of first 2 electron and sharing of first 2 electron. In this compound 2 electrons. In this compound sharing of 2 electrons. It is a stable configuration. 8 electrons or 2 electrons is a stable configuration. 2 electrons also it obeys to Lewis structure. Lewis structure. And this structure is a hydrogen, single bond and hydrogen. This bond is a covalent bond. This bond is a covalent bond. 1 electron is sharing of in this atom and in this atom formation of 1 bond. This is a Lewis structure of H2. And second one N2. Lewis structure N2. In N2, how many nitrogens are present? 2 nitrogens are present. First nitrogen and second nitrogen. Nitrogen is a which group element? Nitrogen is a which group? Nitrogen is a fifth group elements. Nitrogen is a fifth group. Fifth group means nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony and bismuth. Nitrogen electronic configuration helium 2s2 and 2p3. 2s2 and 2p3. This is a outermost orbital. This is a outermost orbital. In generally octet rule. Outermost orbital, how many electrons? 8 electrons are present. But in this nitrogen outermost orbital, how many electrons present in? 5 electrons. 2 plus 3, only 5 electrons are present due to this structure. See this? First one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. This is a first one, second one, third one, fourth one and fifth one. The sharing of 3 electron is not this adjacent nitrogen. This is a totally how many electrons? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The central atom surrounding how many electrons? 8 electrons. 8 electrons, it obeys to which rule? Octet rule. Octet rule is a 8 electrons are present in outermost orbital or surrounding orbital. And another this nitrogen. How many electrons? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Is sharing of 3 electrons totally. How many electrons there? 8 electrons are present. This is a nitrogen triple bond nitrogen. This bond is a covalent bond. First structure is a example is a H2. Second example is a N2. In hydrogen electronic configuration only 1s1. Totally how many electrons present in hydrogen? 1 electron. This hydrogen how many electrons present in? 1 electron. This one electron totally 2 electron. And this one electron totally 2 electron. It is a stable configuration. Stable configuration also it obeys to octet rule. 8 electrons or 2 electrons is a octet rule. 2 electrons is a stable configuration and also it obeys to octet rule. And also second example and N2. Nitrogen is a fifth group element. In generally nitrogen electronic configuration, nitrogen 1s2 2s2 and 2p3. This is a 2s and 2p is a outermost orbital. How many electrons present in outermost orbital? 5 electron. Each one nitrogen atom surrounding 5 electron. In this nitrogen atom surrounding 5 electron. In this nitrogen atom surrounding 5 electron. Totally this is 8 electron. This is 8 electron. Stable configuration. Stable configuration. Those are it is obeys to octet rule. And second example, O2. Second example, O2. O2 atomic number 8. Oxygen 1s2, 2s2 and 2p4. 1s2, 2s2 and 2p4. 2s and 2p is a outermost orbital. 2s and 2p is a outermost orbital. The structure. How many oxygen present in O2? 2 oxygens. This is a one oxygen. This is a another oxygen. Each one oxygen atom surrounding how many electron? 6 electron. These are 2 electron, 4 electron and 6 electron. These are 2 electrons. These are 4 electrons. These are 6 electrons. In this atom surrounding how many electrons? 6 electrons. The 2 electrons sharing of neighbor oxygen. Totally 8 electrons. Totally 8 electrons. In this atom surrounding how many electrons? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This is a 7. This is a 8. The sharing of 2 electrons in neighbor oxygen atom. Totally 8 electrons. This oxygen atom 8 electrons. This oxygen atom 8 electrons. Totally this and this, those are oxygen, it obeys to octet rule. Octet rule means 8 electrons are present in valency orbital. The structure is a oxygen, double bond and oxygen. The double bond formation is a 2 lone pairs of electron pairs. This is a one pair of electron. This is a one pair of electron. Total is convert to one bond. This convert to one bond. In this compound, this convert to one bond. This convert to one bond. This convert to one bond. Totally nitrogen triple bond nitrogen. In this oxygen double bond and oxygen. This is a example 3. Example 2. This is a example 1. First example is a hydrogen H2. Second example is a N2 and third example is a O2. Next one. Example 4 CO2. Example 4 CO2. In this carbon 1s2, 2s2 and 2p2. 6. Carbon atomic number 6. 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. This is a outermost orbital. Outermost orbital. Next one, oxygen. Oxygen electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2 and 2p4 and 2p4. How many outermost orbital? 6. In this oxygen 6 outermost. In this carbon 4 outermost. 4 outermost. In this CO2 central atom is a carbon. CO2 central atom is a carbon. Surrounding one oxygen and surrounding one oxygen. First of all, if you do the carbon. Carbon number of outermost orbitals, electrons 4. Due to first one, second one, third one and fourth one. Next one, in this oxygen surrounding electrons 6. This is a 1, this is a 2, this is a 3, this is a 4 and this is a 2, this is a 4 and this is a 6. This is a CO2. C is a central atom, O2 is a neighboring atom. Carbon surrounding 4 electrons, filling of 4 electrons. And oxygen surrounding 6 electron and surrounding 6 electron. These are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 5, 6 totally. Okay. Next one. This carbon surrounding 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the sharing of these two electrons 7, 8. This is a 8 electron. This is a 8 electron. Next one. This oxygen sharing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Totally 8 electrons. Totally 8 electrons. Next one, this carbon surrounding 1, 2, 3, 4, only 4 electrons. The sharing of 4 electron, this neighboring oxygen 2 electron, this neighboring oxygen 2 electron. Totally 8 electrons. Totally 8 electron. It is a stable configuration. In this circle 8 electrons. In this circle 8 electron, in this circle 8 electron. Totally 8 electrons, 8 electron, 8 each one atom surrounding central atom is a 8 electron, 8 electron. It obeys to octet rule. The structure is a C double bond C and O. C double bond O and double bond O. This is the structure of CO2. Structure of CO2. Next one. Fifth example is a fifth example is a CH4. CH4 how many molecules? 2 molecules. First one carbon. Atomic electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2 and 2p2. 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. How many outermost electrons? 4. Next one, hydrogen. Only 1s1. 1s1. How many outermost electron? 1. But how many hydrogens are present? 4 hydrogens are present. Each one hydrogen atom surrounding 1 electron. 1 electron. Central atom is a carbon. Central atom is a carbon. Carbon surrounding how many hydrogens? 4 hydrogens. This is a 1 hydrogen. Second one, third one, this is a fourth one. The filling of carbon outermost orbital in electron. How many electrons? 4 electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next one. This is a hydrogen 1. This hydrogen 1. This hydrogen 1. And this hydrogen 1. In carbon atom, totally surrounding of 8 electrons. Totally surrounding of 8 electrons. It is a stable configuration. And also this hydrogen is a 2 electrons. This hydrogen is a 2 electron. 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 Totally in this electron 2 electron, hydrogen 2 electron, hydrogen 2 electron, hydrogen 2 electron. These are 2 electrons also stable configuration. And also carbon atom 2, 4, 6, 8. Totally the sharing of 4 hydrogen atom, each one hydrogen atom 1 electron sharing. Totally 8 electrons are present. It is a stable configuration. It obeys to octet rule. It obeys to octet rule. The structure is a hydrogen and C and H and H and H. This is a methane. The structure of methane. CH4 structure. Next one. Example 6. Example 6. PCl5. PCl5. In this surrounding, first one phosphorus electronic configuration. Helium 3s2 and 3p3. 3s2 and 3p3. In generally, the basic 1 point, phosphorus is a 5th group element. Totally in outermost in electron 5 electrons. Chlorine is a 7th group element. Chlorine is a 7th group element. Totally how many electrons? 7 electrons. Each one simple. First group element 1 electron. Second group elements outermost 2 electron. Third group element 3 electrons. And fourth group element 4 electron. Fifth group element 5 electron. And sixth group element 6 electrons. And seventh group elements 7 electron. And eighth group elements 8 electrons. In generally, phosphorus is a fifth group elements. Phosphorus is a fifth group elements. Outermost orbitals present in 5 electrons. Chlorine is a seventh group elements. In seventh group elements, how many electrons outermost orbital? 7 electron. Due to this is a electronic configuration helium 3s2 and 3p3. Next one, fluorine. Sorry, chlorine. Chlorine, neon. Sorry, this is a neon, nitrogen, phosphorus. Next, fluorine and 3s2 and 3p5. 3s2, 3p5. Chlorine, phosphorus in how many electrons? 5 electrons. Chlorine in 7 electrons. This is the electronic configuration of neon 3s2 and 3p3 present in 5 electrons outermost orbital. This is a chlorine, neon 3s2, 3p5 outermost orbital present in 7 electron. In this PCl5 central atom is a phosphorus. This is a phosphorus. Next one, how many chlorine surrounding? 5 chlorine. This is a 1 chlorine. Second one, third one, and fourth one. This is a fifth one. This is a fifth one. First of all, you filling of phosphorus. Phosphorus, how many electrons? 5 electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. The filling of phosphorus electrons. Next one, chlorine surrounding how many electrons? 7 electrons. This is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Totally, in this chlorine atom surrounding 7 electron. In this chlorine atom surrounding 7 electron, 7 electron, 7 electron, and 7 electron. Phosphorus surrounding 5 electron. Phosphorus outermost orbital only 5 electrons, and chlorine outermost orbital how many electrons? 7 electrons. The filling of 5 electron, total is filling of 7 electrons. Each one atom with octet rule. This is the first one, chlorine. 7 plus 1, totally 8 electrons. 8 electron. Next, 7 plus 1, 8 electron. Next one, 7 plus 8, 1, 8 electrons. 7 plus 1, 8 electrons. And 7 plus 1, 8 electron. In this chlorine 8 electron, chlorine 8 electron, this chlorine 8 electron, chlorine 8 electron, chlorine 8 electron. 5 chlorine in surrounding central P. Central is a phosphorus. If phosphorus receiving of 1 electron, each one chlorine atom receiving each one 1 electron. Total these 5 chlorines are 8 electron. It is a stable configuration. It obeys to octet rule. It obeys to octet rule. And also phosphorus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And also this one 6, this one 7, this one 8. 3 electrons are present to totally 1, 2, 3, 4. These are 8 electrons are present to stable configuration. 8 electrons are present to stable configuration. 8 electron. This is a octet rule. Once again listen me. Lewis structure. 8 electrons are present in surrounding atom. It obeys to octet rule. Octet rule is introduced Lewis structures. First one, hydrogen. In this, two hydrogens are present. Hydrogen is a 1s1 electronic configuration. Hydrogen surrounding only one electron. Hydrogen surrounding only one electron. In this hydrogen surrounding one electron, in this hydrogen surrounding one electron, these are sharing of one electron, two electron. This hydrogen atom sharing of one electron, totally two electron. These are stable configuration. The structure is a hydrogen single bond hydrogen. This bond is a covalent bond. This bond is a covalent bond. Next, second example, nitrogen. Nitrogen, two nitrogens are present. One nitrogen electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2 and 2p3. These are each one nitrogen atom surrounding 5 electrons. This is only calculated this outermost orbital. This is a not outermost or innermost orbital. This is a outermost orbital. 5 electrons are present. These are 5. These are 5. In this nitrogen sharing of 3 electron, totally 8 electron. In this nitrogen sharing of 3 electron, totally 8 electron. The structure is a N triple bond and this bond is a covalent bond. And also third one, oxygen. Oxygen 1s2, 2s2 and 2p4. How many electrons are present in outermost orbital? 6 electrons. 6 electrons are present. Each one surrounding atom 6 electrons. In this oxygen atom surrounding electron, 2 electrons are sharing. 2 electrons are gained, totally 8 electrons. In this oxygen atom, sharing of 2 electrons in this atom, totally 8 electrons. The structure is O double bond O. Next one, CO2. Carbon electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. In our number of outermost orbital 4. And oxygen number of outermost orbital 6. The structure is a COO. In this C 6 electron, in this C 6 electron, in this carbon 4 electron. In this oxygen sharing of 2 electron 8 electron. In this oxygen sharing of 2 electron 8 electron. In this carbon surrounding oxygen, in this oxygen 2 electron, in this oxygen 2 electron, totally 8 electron. These are stable configuration. And also methane. In this carbon 1s2, 2s2 and 2p6. This is a 1s1, totally 1 electron. How many hydrogens are present? 4 hydrogen. Each one hydrogen surrounding 1 electron. And carbon 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. This is outermost orbital. Outermost orbital number of electrons 4. Totally carbon surrounding 4 electrons and hydrogen surrounding 1 electron. In this carbon surrounding total hydrogens. Each one 4 hydrogen, 4 electron it gains 2 and it's sharing of 8 electrons. Each one hydrogen atom is sharing to 2 electrons. This is a octet rule obeys. And also next the structure is a CH4 methane. And also sixth example is a phosphorus pentachloride. Phosphorus is a 5th group elements. Number of outermost orbital in electrons is a 5 electrons. Chlorine is a 7th group elements. Number of outermost electrons in a 7 electron. This is a outermost orbital. This is a outermost orbital. Each one phosphorus atom surrounding 5 electrons and each one chlorine atom surrounding 7 electrons. The chlorine atom sharing of each one phosphorus atom, one atom, it gives to 8 electrons are present. It obeys to octet rule. This is a very important topic of the octet rule and Lewis structure. General topic is a octet rule. Octet rule is proposed by Lewis due to Lewis structure. In Lewis structure, the bond formation is a covalent bond. In Lewis structure, all bonds is a covalent bond. Covalent bond means sharing of 2 electrons in each one atom. The formation of one bond is a covalent bond. This is a Lewis structures. Okay, right.